In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find bestseller in Walmart. If you want a quick way to spot popular high-demand products on Walmart's website, this walkthrough will help you do exactly that. We'll keep it simple, stay focused on the on-site labels, and make sure you know where to look so you can shop with confidence and save time. First, open your web browser and go to walmart.com. Give the homepage a moment to load so all the featured sections appear. Across the top and throughout the homepage, you'll see links to different savings areas. Look for the section called Rollbacks and More. This area highlights items with recent price drops and promotional discounts. Go ahead and open Rollbacks and More so you're viewing a grid of products rather than the main homepage. As you scroll through Rollbacks and More, watch for the bestseller badge on the product tiles. This small label is your shortcut to items that are moving quickly and are especially popular with shoppers. You'll often see it directly beneath the product image or near the price. If you open a product page, that designation may appear there as well, giving you extra confidence that you're looking at a top-performing item. Keep in mind that badges can change over time as trends shift, inventory updates, and demand rises or falls. Bestseller items aren't limited to rollbacks. You'll also find them in other savings areas across the site. A great place to continue your search is clearance, where you can spot deeply discounted items that still carry that bestseller label. This is useful when you want both popularity and a lower price point, especially during seasonal changeovers or special events when Walmart marks down a lot of inventory. Now click on Clearance to open that section. Once you're in, browse the categories and product listings just like you did in Rollbacks and More. Again, keep an eye out for the bestseller badge on the tiles. When you see it, you'll know the item is currently a top choice among shoppers. If a product doesn't show the badge, that doesn't mean it isn't good. It just means it's not flagged as a bestseller right now. That's all there is to it. Start at walmart.com, explore Rollbacks and More, look for the bestseller label, then head over to Clearance and continue browsing for bestsellers there. As you shop, consider checking product ratings and reviews to confirm quality and value. And remember that availability and pricing can vary by location and change quickly. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting for Walmart's bestsellers.